Okay, I bought one of these sail canopies. I figured it is the most affordable, easiest way to have a canopy on the ambulance. The nice thing is this was less than $20 Canadian, and it's come with everything that I need to install it on the roof. I really don't know why I'm always waiting until it's really cold outside to do these projects. Now to remember where I put the drill. I think I had put it in here. Oh yeah, there it is. For some reason this door always automatically locks. Let's get the toolbox out. There we go, smaller drill bit. I'll just trade that out and climb on the roof. Okay. While I'm in here, let me show you one of the things that I bought so that it's easier for you guys to find me when I'm out there. Woohoo! I'll set that out so you guys can see the lights. So if you see this and an ambulance, you know it's me. Oh, brr, I had to turn the heater on in here. It's freezing. Can you see that? Oh man, it is so cold. I decided I'm gonna pull out the ladder, get some gloves on, and instead of putting the hooks directly on the top of the roof, I'm gonna put it to the side so I don't have to climb on top to hook up the canopy. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna hook it up somewhere around that blue line. Pretty much the whole length of this is going to be the sail, because the sail's like 12 feet. Screws. Screwdriver would be handy. I forgot under here I have a solid block of ice I gotta take out and thaw. Turning on the diesel heater, getting it started, and the fact that it's cloudy out today and I have lights on. My batteries are down to 79% pretty quick, but these are used batteries, so that's pretty normal. I'm not concerned. Okay, I think I'm done in here. I'm gonna shut the diesel heater off. Okay, I turned that off. I'm gonna shut some of these lights off. And I am gonna show you what that sail canopy looks like. Okay, this is it from the outside, and then I need a pole for down here, but I'm gonna pull it out and show you. It's not as big as I thought. So it's supposed to be a 12 by 12. Basically, all it's gonna do is give me a little seated area with a little bit of shade. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But it was less than 20 bucks. It was worth it. We'll see what it's like when I'm actually out somewhere and it's stretched more. It is a really weird shape though. I do see I have to pull the other side tighter. I need to pull it along the top there tighter. Oh well, better than nothing. Well, at least that's one thing off my list. Take that giant ice cube out. Put the ladder away. Well, realistically, if I think about it, if I had bought a big tarp and then the hardware it definitely would have come to that same price. And the thing is with the hardware that's up there, if I find another tarp with some grommets that match up for size, I can totally do that too. Whew. Make sure you like and subscribe and hang in there for the rest of my videos. They're gonna get better once I hit the road. I'm so excited.